Dear students of class 11, welcome to our online classes. I am Mahbubi Alom, Senior Lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College. After completing this class, you will learn subtraction of two numbers by using 2's complement process. That means how can you subtract one number to another number by using additional method or 2's complement system. In the meantime, you have learned what is 1's complement and what is 2's complement. You have learned and how can you use 1's complement and 2's complement system in any binary number. You have learned in your previous classes. Today, by using 2's complement number system, we will do a maths. And everybody know that computer is an electronic device. Its processing unit is called processor, and processor is the combination of lots of register, and register may be 8 bit, maybe 16 bit, and maybe 32 bit or 64 bit, etc. And minimum size of a register is 8 bit. So if you want to subtract any number, then at first you have to convert this number into 8 bit, and then you have to use 1's complement and 2's complement process. Now write a question: subtract 20 from 15. 20 from 15 by using additional method or 2's complement system. Write everybody in your copy. And as computer can do only addition, it cannot do subtraction, it cannot do multiplication and division. How can we solve our problem by using computer? To use 2's complement, by using 2's complement from, you can change the sign of any number. That means, for example, I can say 15 minus 20 equal to minus 5. If I use 15 plus minus 20, then it will be also minus 5. So result is same. We have to use this process, not this process, as computer cannot do any subtraction or multiplication or division. For this reason, I have to use this system. 15 plus minus 20, then it will be minus 5. This process. To use this process, at first I have to convert the number into binary. Now 20 is a decimal number. At first I have to convert it into binary. 2, 10, remainder is 0, again 2, 5, 0, 2, 1, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1. So result is 20 equal to 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is the binary form of 20. Again, I have to convert 15 into binary like this process. Seven, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. This is MSB, this is LSB. This is the binary form of 15. As I have to use 2's complement system, then first I have to convert this number into 8-bit register. As I will subtract 20 from 15, then I have to use 2's complement system in 15, in 20, not 15, in 20. Here 20 is 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. This is 20. I use 3 0 here to convert into 8 bit. There are 5 bit here and I add 3 0 to convert into 8 bit register. And now I will use 2's complement from 1's complement from 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1. If you write 1 instead of 0 and if you write 0 instead of 1, then it will be 1's complement from. This is 1's complement. And if you add 1 with 1's complement from, then it will be 2's complement from. Add 1 to 2's complement. 1 plus 1 equal to 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 0, also carry 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is minus 20. This is minus 20. You know, if you use 2's complement from in any positive number, then it will be a negative number. If we use 2's complement from in any negative number, then it will be a positive number. I use 2's complement from in 20, so the result will be minus 20. Now I will add this minus 20 with 15. Again write 15 0 0 0 4 0 1 1 1. This is 15. I use 4 0 to become into 8 bit register, and I will write this number 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. This is minus 5. This is the result, but this is a negative result. For this reason, I have to convert this number again in positive number to show you that it is a minus 5. This is a large number. It is not believable that it is a minus 5. So you have to prove it is a minus 5. For this reason, you have to use 2's complement from again. If it is a positive number, then you need not to use again 2's complement system. But as it is a negative number, for this reason, you have to prove it that it is a minus 5. And you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bit is known as sign bit. This is a sign bit. As sign bit is 1, so it is a negative number. Everybody write. In answer as sign bit is 1, so result is a negative number. Again, we will use 2's complement from in this number. Right, everybody? As in result sign bit is 1, so it is a negative number, and you have to use 2's complement from again to show it that it is a 5 or minus 5. Alright, minus 5, 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 plus 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. This is plus 5. As I use 2's complement form in any negative number or 2's complement process in any negative number, so answer will be a positive number. Now all are 0, so they are valueless. The result is 1 0 1. If you convert it into decimal, then it will be 5. You can convert it 1 0 1 1 into to the power 0 equal to 1, 0 into to the power 1 equal to 0, 1 into to the power 2 equal to 4. Add this and it will be 5. So answer is 5. But our answer will be minus 5. To prove it, this a large number may be minus 5. I have to use this process. Finally, result is minus 5. This is answer. Our final result is minus 5. Dear students, I think you can understand how can computer subtract two number. If you cannot understand something, ask to your subject teacher to understand it properly. Thank you everybody.